It's very important to understand the basics if you really want to manifest things fast. So here are a few things I'm going to explain you about your physical mind and your higher mind. Both of these minds is you. So there's no external thing, so to speak. It is just you. We have learned so much to only rely on the physical mind and forgot that we have the higher mind. So here's the thing. What is the task of the physical mind? The physical mind is what we perceive to be, right? Our personality, or what we think what we are. But we are much more than what we think we are, because we also have the subconscious patterns and we have the higher self talking to us. What the physical mind can do, what we think about ourselves right now, is seeing the outside world, what we see reflected. And from there, what we see reflected, we create optimization data to see what we believe on a conscious and subconscious level. The physical mind can look backwards how things have unfolded, but the physical mind cannot look how things will unfold from tomorrow. If you try to figure things out, how things will look tomorrow, you overcharge the physical mind and you create worry, you create stress, you create anxiety, right? If it's a fearful thing. So the physical mind is designed to receive from the higher mind inspired ideas or desires that will guide you to inspired actions or things that come to you. So the idea for the physical mind is to imagine what you like to live. That's what it can. You can imagine that beautiful life with your physical mind, how it would look, how it would see, as if it's already fulfilled. So the higher mind knows that path for you, the non-physical part, so to speak. That knows that route that you need to take in order to learn the life lessons, to change your frequency, your energetic vibrational state, to match that future desired version. Because whatever you're attracting right now is the reality that you are the match to. You cannot attract something else into your reality that you are not the match to. The reality is, in another sense, just a mirror to show you what you are, on your belief systems, on your thoughts and your feelings. So if you change one of these trees, they will influence each other, and based on that your consciousness will change, your energetically vibrational state will change, and you start attracting different things. So how do you learn to listen to your higher self? Your higher self guides you through what inspires you to do, what you feel excited to do or to think, to feel, or to communicate, to react with, or something. So let's say if you want to bring a new desire into your reality, what happens? The physical mind start to plan, start to think, start to figure out, but how? But this is not a responsibility of the physical mind, because your physical mind doesn't even know how to get there, because your physical mind only knows your identity as in today. But the future version of you believes, feels completely different than as it is right now. So how do you bridge that gap? It's by the fastest way is just fully trusting your higher self, which is actually your navigation system that brings you there, right? So here's the thing. How can you listen to that? It is by learning to understand that your highest excitement voice is more dominant. It's from a higher level of consciousness that has more information than your physical mind to bring you there. So let's say, bring it to the practice. My highest excitement right now is to make a movie for you guys. It could have been something else to figure out, to grow my business or do this. But no, my highest excitement wants to make this movie right now and share it with you guys. Tomorrow I can have another highest excitement. So tomorrow, but every given moment you're filling up your highest excitement without thinking. Just doing these actions within your possibilities at the moment that you have given, while you're tuning in, focusing on your desires, the emotions that you like to live, the future version that you like to live. So I bring it to practice. Let's say you want to go from Paris to Amsterdam, right? You can try to figure out what kind of paths you have to take, but you can also trust your higher self, your navigation system, say, okay, this corner, this turn, this, that. And at any given moment, you get the information from your Google system to say what you need to do. And this is how you can also see your higher self communicating with you at any given moment. Okay, today you do this, now you do that, now you do that, now you drink a coffee, now you're going into the toilet, now you call a friend, now you're going for a walk, now you're doing the upload for this, now you're going to do the meditation. So the more you are aligned with these two and learn to communicate with each other, the easier the flow becomes and the less resistance you create in your system, right? I continue talking about later because it's getting too long. Have a wonderful day.